welcome back to my channel. Today is my part 1 of ABC flexibility poses from A to O. But now first we have to do some stretches. So let's go without the stretches today and let's get started. So A is for arabesque. So let's do an arabesque. You can either do an arabesque and hold your leg, slowly, smoothly come down. You can also do an aerial. You know guys, aerial is like this. You jump and put your hands really quickly up. And also now B. B is for a back bend. B is for a back bend. Now let's do C. C is for a cartwheel. Cartwheel. Now D. D is for a dive roll. Dive roll. Now E is for an elbow stand. Now F is for a fish. Fish. How many did we do, guys? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Good leg split. Now let's do H. That's really easy. That's a handstand. Everyone knows that. Handstand. Or A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. What is for I, guys? It's an illusion. Kick up your leg and just go all the way around and spin. Now let's do J. J is for a tuck jump. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Guys, what is for L? Does anybody knows? Leg hold. Let's do a leg hold. Let's do a leg hold. Oh my god, guys, we forgot K. What should we do? Kick. We should do a kick. Point your foot and kick it all the way up. Now, what should we do now? Now let's do an M. Okay, M is for signature move or middle splits. Put your legs over all over and just arch back. Perfect! Now let's do N. What is for NL? That's correct, guys. That's a needle. N is for a needle. What should we do now? Guys, what should we do now? So we did A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. We're last to our last letter, guys. What should we do? An over splits. Let's do an over splits. Over splits. Alright, guys, that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe. Smash that like button right now. Turn on the notification bell. Share the video. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.